So today I am going to do a DIY. I am going to show you how to make a simple wig using synthetic hair. I bought this synthetic hair a couple months ago. I only wear it once. So I've decided to make a wig with those waist hairs. I'm going to make a wig today using a closure because the closure came with the hair, but I didn't use the closure at the time when I bought the hair. So I am going to use the closure now. So I'm going to make a bob wig, a synthetic bob wig, yes. So I'm going to use this closure. This closure part is not so clear, but I'm going to try my best to pave the part with foundation to make it more realistic. So during this video I'll be using glue. I'll be using this Salon Pro hair bonding glue along with this head cap. So like guys, please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't done so, please click on the like button if you haven't done so, and also share with a friend, a family if you haven't done so, and leave a comment and let me know what you think about this wig, synthetic wig. Yes, so let's get right into it. I am going to go ahead and sew the closure onto the hair cap. Complete the closure, so I am going to apply the different layers of hair onto the wig now to have the complete bob wig, just to have the complete look. So once you have finished the closure, you can go ahead and catch the closure in one so you don't have it interrupting the applications of the next hair layers. So I wrap my closure in one, not to have it all over the place. So let's continue. Whenever you're doing a bob wig, you have to ensure that you use the short layers first. said earlier, these hair This hair was used before, so I don't have to do any measurement. They're already in layers. So guys, right here I had put some concealer. The final look. And this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so, share with a friend, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this hair. Did I nail it or not? Until next time guys, bye.